Your Excellency, Mr. President, we have over the years complained and shown our unhappiness, and rightfully so, about why it seemed to be deliberate exclusion and the lack of adequate recognition and representation at the higher levels of government. For instance, I cannot point to one true Zongo person in the cabinet of all governments of the Fourth Republic, certainly not in the Second and the Third Republics. Yet, needless to remind everyone here that we constitute a very significant part of the Ghanaian society, both in numbers and the quality of human resources. Very often considerations are made for regional and gender balances, but not for Zongo communities, whose only crime, Mr. President, is that they spread throughout the country. The Zongos may be minorities in many of the regions, but cumulatively, only a few regions in Ghana can come close in terms of numbers. What should have been an advantage has rather turned out to be a disadvantage. Your Excellency, Mr. President, we cannot entirely blame governments for these situations, as we also have responsibility for a chunk of the blame. I do not have the slightest doubt that we of the Zongos love one another and wish one another well. We have, however, failed over the years to gather the courage to translate this love into building structures that can offer leadership capable of negotiating with government and other institutions to ensure adequate participation of our people in the fullness of national life.